All right, let's face it.
Okay.
Georgia's defense has looked pretty bad this year.
Right.
But is it time for defensive coordinator Todd Grantham to go?
Some are saying maybe so. And do the Falcons have any chance against the Saints tonight? Tucker and Bill are talking those topics and more in tonight's Rant and Rave.
Rant and rave, and somehow, someway, I'm going to talk to Tucker Sargent, even though his Auburn Tigers won last week. Are you done? First topic, Falcons and Saints tonight at the Georgia Dome. I'm going to this game, and Tucker, I don't know why.
Why are you going?
I don't know.
You're going to wear Saints colors? Put
Are
a bag on your head?
I'm going to put a bag on my head, but it won't be because of the Saints. It'll be because of the Falcons. They're awful. The Saints are going to win. This is painful for me to say because I can't stand the Saints. Our GM roots for the Saints. That makes it even worse. But you know what? They're going to win.
They are. No chance. It's going to be a blowout. I mean, the Buccaneers blew them out until they made that late comeback. Let's say 35-3. Saints.
That's awful. I had someone today tell me 47-6. That's pretty close.
That may happen to you.
Maybe not. Let's hope it'll be a little bit closer. Number 2, can Todd Grantham survive at Georgia? Here's the stat of the week. Are you ready for this? This season, Georgia has allowed 30 points or more 7 times. Since 2007, when some guy named Nick Saban took over in Tuscaloosa, the Crimson Tide have allowed 30 points or more 6 times. Yes, Todd Grantham will not survive at Georgia. He's toast.
No way. For the people who say, well, he's got young kids this year. Well, last year they were 12th in the SEC in rush defense, and you got to perform better than that. At this level, when you get that much money every year, the results are all that you got to go by.
That's right, and they're not there. All right, topic 3, Georgia and Kentucky. 7 o'clock game on Saturday night. Georgia should win this game. The question is, how sluggish will they be coming out of the gate? Because, as they proved last week, they are always sluggish coming out of the gate. And Kentucky, for some reason, always plays very tough in Athens. Georgia will win, but it won't be pretty.
It won't be pretty. Aaron Murray in his last home game will put up some big numbers. But, yeah, that defense is going to have to step up, especially after that big letdown on the Plains last week.
Thank you for reminding me. And all Georgia fans should really go on Saturday to clap and applaud for Aaron Murray. Finally, LSU and Texas A&M. Who will win this big game? You know, I think it's going to be Texas A&M just because of Johnny Manziel. Simple as that for me.
I'm going with him, too. I still think he should win the Heisman Trophy. No matter, he won it last year. I think all the offseason stuff is hurting him. His chance to win it. He should win, and he's going to prove that by throwing all over that LSU defense.
All right, before all that action over the weekend, we'll have high school football action for you on Friday night at 11:15 for the End Zone. We hope to see you then.